Hey guys, this is Sterling with ScentMedia.com. I'm going to make a video showing you how to make these web applications, these web forms right here. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Here is your volunteer interest application. One of the more intense forms on your website, but what I'm going to do is show you how you too can make this same form very easily. So let's flip over to your control panel, and what you want to do is go to Components, Chrono Forms. Okay, so here is your back into your Chrono Forms or your Forms Manager. You have the same usual buttons at top. You have some new buttons. Um, the Transform Form button will only let you, let's say, change the font of a form. Um, you can have it look like this and hit a preview. Really doesn't, do too much. Or you could put it on theme 1. It kind of looks like that. Preferably, I think you just leave it at the default because that one looks the best. So those are the only two choices. You have your wizard edit, which we'll get into in a sec. These buttons over here, your create tables, table managers, those all pertain to your database. You don't have to touch these. These are already set for you, as well as your parameters. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Creating a new form. All right. Okay, so what we want to do is click this button. Um, it says Form Wizard. Okay. And what this does is give you how to design your form. So we're going to design a form fairly quickly. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is just like it says, design your form. Okay, so we're going to zoom in a little bit so you can see everything. Okay, so let's before I get too ahead of myself, right here are all of your options for creating a form. These are all of your, I guess, tools in your toolbox. So what we're going to do is just click it and drag it over, and where it turns blue, we just let it go. Okay, it says click me to edit. So we click there, and you notice how this box popped up right here, this properties box right here. So what we're going to do is just click this, and we're just going to call it application. Oops. Oops. Okay, and we're going to click this apply button right here, and you just saw that change the application. Um, then let's say you want to add some text, and you can just click that and edit this to say just contact information, and click apply right there. And what we're going to do is just add in a couple of text boxes, and you see what I'm doing. I'm just dropping it over to the blue space right there, and just in the text boxes you get a few more options. We're just going to call this one right here name, and it's required in alphas only because we only want alphabets, and we're going to click apply. Okay, so far we have name, contact. We're going to add in another one, just drop that in there, and we're going to call this one email, and we want email only, and we're going to press OK. Okay, this time we're going to do a text area. I'm going to drop it right here. Okay. Click the edit. I'm going to call this one address. Okay. It is required. Okay. So we got name, email address. We can even far as go as click this, type in phone, and put this one as numbers only. Click apply on that one. Okay, so we just got some basic info. Okay, let's put in a radio box. We're just going to drop it right here. Okay. Radio boxes are cool because you have right here your options, radio 1, 2, and 3, and that's what you see right there. So we're just going to call this male, female, oops, and for the label it, we're just going to call it gender. We're going to click apply. Okay, let's add a file upload button. Just drop that in there just like that. All right. We're going to call this upload resume here. Okay, here's what two things you need to pay attention to. Your allowed file extensions and your maximum file size. For the sake of your email box, put it on 2000 or 2 megs. You don't want to be getting loads of stuff. For up here, I don't know if you can see that message clearly. But you put your file extension in this allowed extensions box and space it out using a vertical slash. So it looks something like that. JPG, oops, vertical slash document, vertical slash docx, which is Windows 7, PDF, those like that. Okay, you have to have those in there, or you're not going to be able to upload anything. Okay, so now that we have all of that in there, let's click apply, and let's add a submit button. All right, it looks like we're all set. Here's our form, and we're going to finish the rest of this video on part 2. And what we're going to do is add your email settings, design your emails, and we're going to pretty much test out a form. So I'll see you on part 2. Thanks.